Is your kitchen small, but you still want it to feel modern, elegant, and spacious? Wondering how European kitchens achieve a sleek look while maximizing every inch? Curious how smart storage, lighting, and minimal styling create a high-end feel? And looking for subtle decorative touches, like seasonal table styling or minimalist Easter accents that add charm without clutter? Stay with us, because today we're exploring modern European kitchen design ideas for small spaces, combining functionality, beauty, and smart styling for 2026 living. What defines modern European kitchen design? Modern European kitchens emphasize sleek lines, efficiency, and refined minimalism. Handleless cabinetry, streamlined layouts, and clutter-free surfaces create a seamless and sophisticated aesthetic. The focus is on precision, practicality, and visual harmony, ensuring the kitchen feels both elegant and highly functional. Why is minimalism essential in small kitchen design? Minimalism reduces visual clutter and maximizes usability. Clear countertops, concealed storage, and simple finishes allow the space to feel larger and more organized. This approach creates a calm environment that is easy to maintain and pleasant to use daily. If you love smart kitchen design ideas, like this video and share it with someone planning a renovation. Which colors make a small kitchen look bigger? Light shades such as white, soft grey, warm beige, and creamy neutrals reflect light and expand visual space. A cohesive palette prevents visual interruptions, helping the kitchen feel open and airy. Subtle tonal variations add depth without disrupting the calm aesthetic. Can dark tones be used in small European kitchens? Yes, when used strategically. Dark lower cabinets paired with lighter upper cabinetry create visual contrast while preserving brightness. This layered approach adds depth and sophistication without overwhelming the space. Tell us in the comments which color scheme makes your kitchen feel more spacious. What cabinet styles maximize space efficiency? Flat panel, handleless cabinets create a seamless look that reduces visual clutter. Gloss or satin finishes reflect light, while full-height cabinetry maximizes vertical storage. Integrated handles maintain a streamlined appearance. How can smart storage transform a tiny kitchen? Pull-out drawers, corner carousel units, hidden organizers, drawer dividers, and vertical storage systems optimize every inch. Smart storage keeps essentials accessible while maintaining a clean, uncluttered appearance. For more small space design ideas, check out our full playlist in the description. What countertop materials suit small modern kitchens? Quartz, light marble patterns, and compact solid surfaces provide durability and elegance. Lighter tones enhance brightness, while subtle veining adds interest without overwhelming the minimalist design. How does lighting enhance a compact kitchen? Layered lighting eliminates shadows and improves functionality. Under-cabinet lighting brightens work surfaces. Pendant fixtures add visual interest. And warm LED strips create a welcoming glow. Good lighting transforms even the smallest kitchen into a comfortable workspace. Subscribe for more modern home design tips and space-saving solutions. How can backsplashes elevate the European look? Simple tile layouts, marble textures, matte finishes, or subtle geometric patterns add visual interest without clutter. Vertical tile arrangements can make walls appear taller, enhancing the sense of space. What flooring works best in small kitchens? Light wood flooring, large format tiles, or continuous flooring throughout the home creates visual flow. Fewer seams and consistent surfaces make the area feel larger and more cohesive. Love these elegant design ideas. Find similar products linked in the description below. How can small dining or breakfast areas be integrated? Wall-mounted tables, foldable surfaces, slim breakfast bars, or extendable countertops provide functionality without occupying excessive space. Compact seating such as stools or stackable chairs keeps the layout flexible. What decor accents add charm without clutter? Minimal decor such as ceramic jars, glass containers, fresh herbs, or a small bowl of pastel Easter eggs adds personality while maintaining simplicity. Thoughtful accents enhance warmth without crowding surfaces. Explore more seasonal styling inspiration in our similar videos listed in the description. How can greenery enhance a modern European kitchen? Fresh herbs like basil, rosemary, thyme, or mint add natural beauty while serving a practical purpose. Small planters or wall-mounted herb gardens introduce freshness without sacrificing counter space. What finishing touches create a high-end look? Matching finishes, integrated appliances, and coordinated hardware create visual harmony. Soft close cabinetry, concealed storage, and consistent materials contribute to a polished, luxurious appearance. If you enjoy elegant home styling ideas, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. How can you achieve a luxury kitchen look on a budget? Focus on decluttering, cohesive colors, improved lighting, and smart storage upgrades. Replacing cabinet handles, adding under-cabinet lighting, or upgrading fixtures can elevate the kitchen without major renovations. A small kitchen can feel modern, elegant, and spacious with the right design choices. By embracing minimalism, smart storage, light colors, and layered lighting, you can transform limited space into a stylish and functional cooking area. Add subtle decor touches and seasonal accents to bring warmth and personality, creating a kitchen that feels both practical and beautifully European. If you enjoyed these kitchen design ideas, like this video and share it with friends planning a makeover. Tell us your favorite small kitchen design tip or how you maximize space. Explore our small space design playlist in the description for more ideas. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more modern home design inspiration. Looking for more interior inspiration? Check out similar videos linked below. Find the decor items featured in this video through the links in the description.